going on, everybody? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Shout out to the notification squad. I see you guys when I post the video. I'm on my computer for a little while afterwards. I'm seeing all the first comments, first like, first response. Technically, I'm first though because I posted the video before you posted your comments. So, But seriously, so many positive comments recently. I love your channel, loving the video so far. It means so much to me. Today, we are doing something classic vehicle versions. Now, if you missed yesterday's video, I took my Lamborghini out to Beverly Hills to film reactions and see what the people of Beverly Hills on Rodeo Drive thought of the car. Now, I was anticipating kind of a small response, but turned out it was a little bigger than that. Roll the clip. Another beautiful day. Yep, that person is just riding a horse down the street. That was interesting. Ooh. All right, just arrived at the shop. It looks like Malcolm already has this thing up on a lift. What's up, dude? Good to see you. So there it is, VF supercharger, 540 horsepower. Now it sounds really good. This is also, like, respect Malcolm, an incredibly nice spec. I love white cars. These wheels look fantastic. It is a manual, it's supercharged, but it needs to get a little bit louder. This has an aftermarket exhaust, right? What is it?
Kropovich.
A Kropovich. It's not loud enough. Let's get a before clip. Okay, not gonna lie, that sounds really good, but I have a feeling with the mid-pipe ripped out, it's gonna be insane. All right, it's work time.
Oh, that's why you said gloves. I see.
Yeah. Wow, that was easy. Let me get some gloves and pull this thing out. Oh. There we go. I feel like we're getting better at the straight piping game. That took like 3 seconds. We're gonna lower this down, see what it sounds like, and then we're gonna pick up James from the airport. He's been gone in cold Michigan, but I have a feeling the airport police aren't really gonna like the sound of a straight piped M3. Oh! Oh my God! Oh, dear God. This is easily the loudest car we've ever done after being straight piped, but I wouldn't say it's a daily driver, that's for sure though. I can still hear it coming. It sounds more like a NASCAR than it does an M3. Smash the thumbs up button for the straight piped M3. It almost sounds like it has a cam. What? I wouldn't say the sound is for everyone, but for a couple of days of enjoyment, if you have an E92 M3, you have to do this. Look at this photo shoot right now. Damn! In the McDonald's parking lot, just stunting on the hood of that SUV. He didn't get the right shot the first time. Wow. Oh! Beautiful NSX. At 80 miles an hour on the freeway. Definitely a good amount of drone. By good amount, yeah, there's way too much drone, but it's awesome at the same time. So we're about to roll up to the airport. I'm not gonna lie, I'm slightly concerned the police are keeping an eye out for anything suspect. Straight piped M3 might be a little suspect. Oh my God. Prius. Oh, Roush Raptor. That's bad. What's up, dude? Alright, initial impressions on the exhaust.
I love how it's pissing everyone off.
Literally everyone's mad.
Every single person. Every mom.
Mostly moms are mad.
They don't like the smell.
What do you think of the exhaust? Hello? Oh. It's ridiculous, dude.
Wait, rev it really quick. Look at people's faces.
I'm sitting in the back of the M3 because James is a lot taller than me. Actually, not that bad in terms of space. I'm gonna regret saying that comment in about 30 minutes.
Hi, Toyota.
Wait, what do you think of the exhaust?
Hola.
News?
Hey, no.
Nope. Well, this video would not be complete without some flybys, so Malcolm's about to rip this back and forth here from the outside. From the back seat, the experience is even more ridiculous because the mid-pipe is removed right underneath, so my entire spine and butt and everything was just rattling. Oh my God! I already wanted an M3, but me and James fully want E92 M3s now, just so we can take the mid-pipe out and do this.
Just that.
The sound is out of this world. It honestly kind of sounds like your Z06 in the weirdest way.
I don't know, I've never heard it from the outside. So.
True. Best modification for an M3 of all time. Like I said before, if you have an M3 and you don't do this modification, what are you doing with your life? It's a stage 3? Wait, Malcolm, what are you doing? We're putting it back? Oh yeah, you gotta bring it home.
Yes, bring it home.
Yeah, they might not like that.
It was so worth it too.
This was so worth it. It also doesn't take very long whatsoever. So straight pipe the 993 turbo. Right? What? When in doubt, just smack it with an orange mallet. How's that working?
Works great. Actually.
It actually looks pretty effective. All right, back to stock, let's hear it. Lame, bro, lame. It still sounds good, but nothing like before. Guess I didn't get the memo about this truck meet, but we're about to drop the cars off and go go-karting. If you've never been, you've got to try out go-karting. All right, now we're riding in the opposite of a straight-piped M3, the no longer straight-piped S-Class. Oh, it's pretty quiet.
Hear that?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Stopping by James' house to get the Camaro. I miss that thing. Honestly, his Camaro kind of sounds like the M3 when it was straight-piped. So we roll up to go go-karting and Malcolm brought a freaking helmet. This guy races boxers and I'm supposed to compete with this? Are you serious? You got a carbon fiber helmet? I don't even want to race anymore, honestly. All right, somehow we just decided to buy 8 races. So this is gonna be a long one. This is gonna be really competitive though. I'm pretty nervous.
It's going to be balls to balls.
It's gonna be just flat out. Look at these people. Oh, wow! Damn. I've just been informed that they have so much control over the carts that if you're in first place by a lot, they slow you down to let everyone catch up. This is like freaking Mario Kart. This is literally the most important race of my life. Are you ready? Let's go. Oh boy. This is so funny. The group that's out right now is so bad that the guy had to hold up a sign that says brake before turn. Wait, they are fully underneath. Whoa. That person fully smashed through the wall, went underneath the wall. That's almost impressive. They needed the brake before the turn sign, apparently.
How did it cut through the glass?
This person actually had a machete in their pocket.
No.
Oh! Number 5 went through the barrier last time. She's taking the cautious approach now. I actually found a problem with the iPhone 10. You can't go to a go-kart place and open the phone with facial recognition. We've got another race to see if we can move up. Who the hell is this Be Fast? That's like they're cheating. Final race of the night. The pressure's overwhelming. I already did lose to his. Okay, that's the hardest part. Good call, good call. Mom, I'm finally number one. Oh, what?
That's cute.
You gotta freaking lean into every turn and use your body. Like, I was grabbing onto the railing in order to lean into the turn.
Momentum.
How'd you figure that out?
I used to come here a lot.
Okay, all right, good. Malcolm with the 19.2. Feels good? Hell yeah, dude.
Childhood dream right there.
All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Just kidding, we're back. We got some bonus footage for you. I'm parking the S-Class. We are gonna take out these trucks on a road that I drifted this S-Class in, but I kind of feel like a truck might be a little bit better. Pavement ends. Oh, geez. Sick drift. Oh, linking drifts in a truck. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh,
Malcolm starts swinging.
we're going up this? Oh, I've always wanted to come up here. This is, oh, wow. That's the underside of the truck. Whoa.
The back hits.
What the, wow. Back when the Hood Don was functional, I always wanted to launch it off this for its ultimate demise, but I couldn't quite figure out what to do disposal-wise. Also, if you like the truck content, smash that thumbs up button.
I got this first.
No, I do.
No, then you gotta tell me, because I gotta go down there so you don't do that.
Just truck stuff. Oh, that sounds bad.
He's revving it.
Yeah! Random stranger doing a freaking burnout. All right, here we go. Donut time. Whoa!
There's a tornado.
Woo! That's awesome. Well, I think we're gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.